let's answer some frequently asked questions I get as a board-certified dermatologist. So what causes melasma and why does it keep on coming back? Melasma, or as we all know, pecas in local term, is actually one of the hardest skin condition that we treat nowadays. So basically, chronic ito. So meaning, pangmatagalan. So nagkakaroon tayo ng mga itim, patse-patse. Usually, mas makikita siya sa mga sun-exposed areas ng mukha. So melasma nangyayari when the melanocytes, which are the skin pigment-producing cells, becomes hyperactive and produce more melanin pigments. So usually, may mga drivers or triggers kung bakit nagpo-produce tayo ng maraming melanin. So number one, nasa lahi. Around 30 to 50% of individuals usually may family history na meron ding mga pecas. Pangalawa, hormonal fluctuations. Ito yung reason kung bakit ang melasma nag-a-appear during pregnancy or pagbubuntis kung may tinitake tayo ng mga oral contraceptive pills and also hormonal replacement therapy. Of course, risk factor din na nasa tropical climate tayo kasi dahil sa UV radiation. But aside from UV radiation, ang nagiging common triggers na rin ngayon ng excess melanocyte production ay yung nakababad tayo the whole day sa cellphone, LED screens, and computers. And lastly, yung mga produkto na nagkukos ng inflammation sa skin, inappropriate skincare products. So kung persistent ang mga triggers na to, parati tayong exposed despite treatment, mataas pa rin ang chances na pabalik-balik ang ating melasma. We must not forget this most important step. Of course, protect your skin by using sunscreen. If you want to know more about skincare tips, follow me for more. See you soon!